In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MindNode. If you're ready to map out ideas, projects, or brainstorms, MindNode is a great place to start, and getting it onto your device is quick. MindNode is available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and it also works on Apple Vision Pro. No matter which Apple device you use, the process begins in the App Store. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, or the App Store app on your Mac. On iPhone and iPad, it's the blue icon with a stylized A. On Mac, you'll find the same icon in your Dock or Applications folder. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection since the download will come straight from Apple's servers. Next, use the Search tab or the Search field to look for MindNode, Mind Map, and Outline. Typing the full name helps you land on the official listing quickly. You'll recognize it by the developer name and the app icon featuring a colorful node motif. Taking a second to confirm the title ensures you're downloading the correct app and not a lookalike. When you're on the MindNode page, tap or click Get or Install if you've had it before. You may see a cloud icon with an arrow, which simply means you've downloaded it previously and can restore it for free. Follow the on-screen prompt to authenticate with your usual Apple method. The app itself is free to download, so you won't be charged to add it to your device. If your device asks for permission to proceed over cellular data, choosing Wi-Fi can make the process faster and more reliable. That's all it takes to download MindNode from the App Store. On supported devices, including Apple Vision Pro, the same listing delivers the version tailored to that platform, so there's nothing extra you need to manage. A quick tip on keeping your work available everywhere. MindNode can sync your mind maps across devices using iCloud. As long as you're signed in with the same Apple ID and iCloud is enabled for the app, your maps can stay up to date whether you're on iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Vision Pro. This is especially handy if you start a brainstorm on your phone and want to refine it later on your Mac. With the app downloaded, you're ready to explore mind mapping in a clean, focused workspace. Enjoy capturing ideas, reorganizing them visually, and turning scattered thoughts into clear plans.